Hello my dear students. Do you usually get confused about which personality type you possess? Have you checked out multiple videos on YouTube about which trait or characteristic match with your personality? So here's a one-stop solution for you. RIASEC is the foundation for several career assessments which help the individuals explore their career interests, preferences and potential career paths by identifying their RIASEC personality types. RIASEC is an acronym representing the 6 primary work environment themes in John L. Holland's theory of careers and vocational choice, known as Holland's hexagon or the Holland codes. The 6 themes are realistic, investigative, artistic, social, enterprising, and conventional. By identifying and understanding one's RIASEC personality type, individuals can make more informed career decisions and pursue opportunities that align with their strengths, preferences, and values. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the first element of the theory, realistic. The realistic personality type in the RIASEC model is associated with practicality, hands-on skills, and a preference for working with tools, machinery, and physical objects. While it may not be immediately obvious how the realistic type aligns with engineering, there are several ways in which these characteristics can be a great fit for an engineering career. Number 1. Practical problem solving. Realistic individuals excel at solving real-world problems. Engineers are often tasked with designing and creating practical solutions to complex problems, whether it's developing new products, improving processes, or addressing technical challenges. Number 2. Hands-on work. Many engineering disciplines involve hands-on work, especially in fields like mechanical engineering and civil engineering. Realistic individuals often enjoy working with physical materials and equipments, which is a significant part of engineering tasks. Number 3. It's technical aptitude. Engineers typically work with a variety of technical tools and equipment. Realistic individuals, they tend to have a natural aptitude for understanding and using such tools, making them well suited for engineering tasks that require technical proficiency. Number 4. Attention to detail. Realistic individuals are often detail-oriented, which is a valuable trait in engineering. Precision and accuracy are crucial in engineering work to ensure the safety and functionality of products and systems. Number 5. Practical innovation. Engineers are often involved in designing practical and innovative solutions. Realistic individuals can bring a pragmatic perspective to the creative process, ensuring that their innovations are not only groundbreaking but also feasible and effective. Number 6. Teamwork. While engineering often involves individual problem solving, it also frequently requires collaboration within multidisciplinary teams. Realistic individuals can work effectively in such environments, contributing their practical skills and expertise to team projects. It's important to note that engineering is a broad field with various disciplines, for instance, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, civil engineering, etc. And the specific tasks and responsibilities can vary widely. Therefore, some engineering roles may align more closely with the realistic personality type than others. For example, a mechanical engineer working on designing and testing physical components may find their work closely aligned with the realistic profile. Overall, the realistic personality type can be a valuable asset for engineers, particularly in roles that involve problem solving, hands-on work, and technical expertise. However, it's essential to consider one specific engineering discipline and career goals when assessing the fit between a realistic type and an engineering career. This video is only for educational purposes. For more career guidance, request you to consult the Career Counseling team. See you in the next video.